Hello Titans, my name is Thomas.
And my name is Brittany.
Today is Monday, May 6, 2024, and today is a C Day. Let's get on to our announcements. Students, want to find new apparel, jewelry, or even try new foods at school? Well, come and support our own Discovery students' small businesses at the marketplace, taking place inside of the auction on May 2nd during your advisement and second period. Make sure to bring your money to help our Titans thrive in their businesses.
Are you looking to see a play that features a classic Disney play with roots deep into the horns of Africa? Get what you're searching for and visit us at the Discovery High School Theater on May 3rd at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. on May 4th, 2024 at 2 p.m. to see The Lion King Jr. With the popular movie turning into a play, the songs, performances, characters, and comedies are a must-see. We'll see you at the Theater Titans.
Hey Discovery Art students, are you looking for a place to hone your artistic talent and skills? Somewhere to collaborate with your friends? Or maybe just a safe space to express yourself through art? Well then, there's no better place than the Discovery Art Club in room 341. Come join us every Thursday afternoon from 2:15 to 3:30 p.m. where students can work through different techniques, mediums, and explore your creativity through your artwork. Hope to see you there.
Are you looking for a group where you could become a future health professional? Do you want to pursue a career in the healthcare industry? Well, then come join the HOSA meetings on Wednesdays at 2:30 until 3 p.m. in room 520. Tell your friends and we'll see you there.
Are you trying to heighten your chess skills and meet other chess players who share your love for the game? Well then, you've come to the right place. Come to room 615 from 2:15 to 3:30 p.m. to join our chess club. Anybody is welcome. We are excited to see you show up.
Bye.
So you say thank you for watching. I say have a good day.
I do?
Yeah, you say thank you for watching. I'll say bye. Bye.
Alright, so go ahead, count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.